Hello, Timothy Jones here. I have a question for you. Do you believe in ghosts? Listen, I never believed in all that junk. I'm a former police officer. And if you can't see it, you can't touch it, and you can't take it to court, then it does not exist. That was the way science always was until a number of years ago. And then we found out that there are other energies that are floating around, and we're not talking about woo-woo stuff. There's other energies floating around that science can prove. So I'll tell you what, if you don't believe in ghosts, why don't you come on to the session and I might have a little bit of a surprise for you. Look forward to seeing you.